Hi, my name is Michelle Skaggs. I work for BELLISIO Foods. I am the Senior Manager of Human Resources. BELLISIO Foods has a wide variety of products, and I'm so proud that we can not only service locally, nationally, even globally. In my mind, BELLISIO Foods has the best frozen food products. We are a family-oriented group. We have folks that have been here several years and have really made very good careers living here locally. We spend a lot of time together. So yes, this is our work family. We care about their health needs, their career paths, just developing them. For us, it's all about empowering the worker to be successful, and that is our goal, and we take pride in that. Have we implemented any internship programs? Absolutely. We have one every summer. We get interns from all across the United States. I am proud to come in every day and work with a team of management that really believes in giving back to the community and giving to our employees, really making a positive experience for folks.